The Merit's Merigo S637. This three-wheeled electric scooter with its retro tricycle-inspired look offers a great combination of safety and familiar features. The Merigo's compact size and small turning radius are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, especially in elevators. The large 16-inch spoked front wheel and two 12-inch rear wheels provide a smooth ride, while plastic mudguards protect the rider from splashes. The Merigo also struts a little extra flair with its matching exposed frame structure and two-tone seat color. With a carrying capacity of 100 kilograms or 220 pounds and a range of 24 kilometers or 15 miles, the S637 is ready for everyday adventures. The Merigo is designed around personal convenience. It features two baskets for carrying purchases or personal items. The extra-large rear basket is protected by a waterproof cover, while the front basket is easily removable for carrying around. Under the seat is the seat rotation lever, allowing alternative ways of accessing the seat. The Merigo also offers ample legroom with its open footrests. Additionally, the tiller can be tilted forward and back for better safety and comfort. The S637 comes with flip-up armrests that can be adjusted horizontally for improved safety and comfort. Finally, the seat back folds forward. This, in addition to the aforementioned features, allows the Merigo to fold down for convenient storage. Merit's Merigo S637 also has numerous safety features. It is equipped with a half-speed limiter, which automatically halves the speed of the scooter in the event of a sharp turn, greatly reducing the risk of accidents. The S637 also comes with an alarm, which sounds when the scooter tilts beyond safe levels. The motor features an intelligent braking system, which electromagnetically prevents unwanted rolling while stationary. It is also regenerative, which means it recovers the kinetic energy lost while braking and feeds this power back into the batteries, thereby extending the range of the scooter. To disengage the motor and allow the scooter to be pushed, simply twist the freewheel lever located in the back. The S637 also comes with a manual brake lever for a more immediate stop. Also located on the tiller is the simple dashboard with the key ignition, speed dial, battery gauge, and buttons to control the horn and lights. It also features the easy-to-use push and pull throttle levers. The LED headlight and tail lights improve visibility while also being energy efficient. This scooter is powered by two 22 amp-hour batteries located under the seat. They can either be charged through the onboard charging plug or removed for off-board charging. The batteries connect via metal contacts, so there is no need to tangle with cumbersome wires. Lastly, the Merigo comes with Merit's standard accessory port for attaching optional features such as a cane holder or oxygen tank holder. Another optional accessory is the rearview mirror. Not only is the Merigo S637 a very capable and good-looking three-wheeled electric scooter, but its ease of use, convenient safety features, and all-round familiar design make it an excellent choice for running everyday errands.